The internet, a boundless ocean of information, connection, and control. We willingly surrender our data, our preferences, our very thoughts to the seemingly benevolent algorithms that curate our online experience. But beneath the surface of personalized recommendations and targeted advertising lies a far more complex and unsettling reality. This is the story of the algorithm's secret, a glimpse into the internet's dark side. We're often told the algorithm is simply a sophisticated sorting system, a helpful tool designed to make our online lives more efficient. But this is a simplification, a carefully crafted narrative designed to obscure the true power it wields. The algorithm is not just a tool, it's a gatekeeper, a silent arbiter of what we see, what we hear, and ultimately what we think. Consider the seemingly innocuous act of searching for information. Your query, a simple string of words, is fed into a complex machine learning system that analyzes not just the keywords, but also your browsing history, your location, your social connections, even the time of day. This data is then used to generate a ranked list of results, a curated reality tailored to your perceived profile. But what if this profile is inaccurate or worse, manipulated? The implications are profound. Imagine a scenario where an algorithm designed to maximize engagement prioritizes sensationalist or divisive content. This could lead to the formation of echo chambers, reinforcing existing biases and hindering rational discourse. We become trapped in a personalized bubble, exposed only to information that confirms our pre-existing beliefs, while dissenting voices are systematically suppressed. This isn't mere speculation. Numerous studies have shown the potential for algorithms to exacerbate societal divisions, amplify misinformation, and even contribute to the spread of extremist ideologies. The algorithms aren't inherently malicious, but their design, driven by the pursuit of profit and engagement, creates a system ripe for exploitation. The problem is further compounded by the opacity of these systems. The inner workings of most major algorithms are shrouded in secrecy, making it nearly impossible to understand how they make their decisions. This lack of transparency allows for biases to creep in, often unnoticed and unchallenged. We are essentially operating within a black box, blindly trusting a system whose motivations we can't fully comprehend. Consider the impact on political discourse. Targeted advertising, powered by sophisticated algorithms, allows campaigns to micro-target voters with specific messages designed to appeal to their individual biases. This can lead to the spread of disinformation and the manipulation of public opinion on a scale never before seen. The lines between legitimate political engagement and covert manipulation become increasingly blurred. The influence extends beyond politics. Algorithms shape our consumption habits, our social interactions, even our sense of self. The curated feeds of social media platforms create a constant pressure to conform, to present a carefully crafted version of ourselves to the world. This can lead to feelings of inadequacy, anxiety, and depression, a phenomenon increasingly recognized as a significant societal challenge. But the dark side of the algorithm extends beyond the realm of individual experience. The vast amounts of data collected by these systems are a treasure trove for those seeking to exploit or manipulate. The potential for misuse is immense, ranging from targeted scams and phishing attacks to the large-scale manipulation of elections and social movements. Think about the implications for privacy. The constant tracking and monitoring of our online activity raise serious concerns about surveillance and the erosion of personal freedoms. We are constantly being watched, our every click, every search, every like meticulously recorded and analyzed. This data is then used to build detailed profiles of our lives, profiles that can be used for purposes we may never know. And what about the ethical considerations? Who is responsible when an algorithm makes a harmful decision? Is it the programmers, the companies that deploy the algorithms, or the users who unknowingly contribute to the system's biases? These are complex questions with no easy answers, questions that demand urgent attention. The fight for algorithmic accountability is a crucial battle in the ongoing struggle for digital rights. We need greater transparency, stricter regulations, and a broader public understanding of how these systems work and the potential consequences of their misuse. We need to demand greater control over our own data, and we need to hold those who control these powerful technologies accountable for their actions. The algorithm's secret is not a singular entity, but a vast and interconnected web of power, influence, and potential for harm. It's a system that shapes our world in profound ways, often without our conscious awareness. Understanding this system, its intricacies, and its potential for misuse is not merely a matter of technological literacy, it's a matter of civic responsibility. The future of our digital society depends on our ability to confront the dark side of the algorithm and demand a more equitable, transparent, and ethically sound online world. The challenge lies not in rejecting technology, but in understanding and controlling its power. We must demand accountability, transparency, and ethical considerations at every stage of algorithmic development and deployment. Only then can we hope to harness the potential benefits of these powerful technologies while mitigating their inherent risks. The internet's future hinges on our ability to unravel the algorithm's secret and build a digital world that serves humanity, not the other way around. The time for action is now. The consequences of inaction are too significant to ignore. The fight for a better digital future begins with understanding the hidden forces that shape our online reality, and that understanding begins with confronting the dark side of the algorithm.